We lied. Now that the thermostat is open, I can actually talk over the car. This weekend is still on. We're still going to be doing my Welcome Back to Texas meet this Saturday at 4. Now, if it's raining or if it's too cold, we are going to switch it to a parking garage. So follow my Instagram or my Snapchat or my Twitter, all three of those to stay updated. I want to see my boys out there, and honestly, it's not required, but any flavor of Monster is welcome. Preferably zero, and all the other zeros. It's a lifestyle, bro. Alright, so we are back at the place we used to live before we moved to California. We didn't plan on doing this, but some stuff has come up. Hello, quit beeping. Some stuff has come up, and I think we've decided we'll talk about it a little later. We should be able to get a better place this time around, and I'm excited to show you guys. You guys want to see the new house? New place? New thing? That's our old place! We live there!
The wood floor, not the upgrades like the light
Nice. Oh, that's a big bedroom. This is the size of our place in California. Oh man. Go out and cook some babbies out here. Clutch can poop right on the concrete right here. Here's what we need though. This is what matters. The house is cool and all.
Wrong door on the right.
True. Oh, we got a 2-car garage this time around. Well, you know how much stuff we can fit in here? This is so sick. I love it. Look at this garage, dude. This is humongous. This garage is bigger than our apartment was in California. All right, guys, you gotta let me know. How do you like this place? It's not what, you know what? Again, we still have stuff to talk about today, so I'm not gonna give anything away. Should I give me?
You just spitting out?
They gave me a cookie while I was waiting. It was very nice of them. It was a very good cookie. That place was humongous.
This is ginormous.
You guys gotta let us know what you think. This might make what we're going to have to explain to you later a little bit more easy to bear. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little excited now.
I feel better.
Huh?
I feel better.
You feel better? Mm-hmm. Before we go, I'm gonna finish eating this cookie. Before we talk to you guys about why we really moved, not that what we said before wasn't true, we just had to cover something up. Yesterday I installed an angle kit, but I started feeling sick again. I really wanted to show you guys and test it out, but I didn't get to because I was feeling sick and needed to go home, didn't feel good. I'm gonna go test out my angle today and do a few donuts at my dad's shop just to make sure nothing rubs, nothing hits. I know it hits at full lock, but I wanna do some donuts and a little bit of skids just to see. Every portion comes with a complimentary cookie holder right there.
You get crumbs everywhere.
Mm-hmm. If you guys are new to the channel or haven't seen this in a while, this is my 1JZ swapped SC300. You know, it's been roll caged. I got a bunch of stuff. It's really, really, really fun. And we recently just installed an angle kit. So I'm going to test it out today and just see how it goes. The alignment's actually kind of okay. It definitely needs more negative camber, but let's give this little guy a shot. I love this car. Oh, I'm gonna use my new gloves, baby. Oh, I like this new steering angle. Dang, this angle is so nice. All right, here we go. I feel like I have a lot of control, and I kind of almost feel like maybe it's just me, but I think it steers better now. That was nice. Can I try it the other way? Okay, I'm gonna try and do some left foot braking.
I swear, my whole time watching that, I'm like, you're gonna hit the building, you're gonna hit the building, you're gonna hit the building. I hate it, but he's so good. Ooh, look at that smoke coming off.
I gotta get a heat cycle through them at least once.
Your hair is like on point.
You like that?
Yeah.
Shout out to my hairstylist, me. So I did notice that it does rub a little bit, so I'm gonna need to get a spacer for an even bigger spacer for the front. I might try and switch the one that I have on the rear. It just makes me really, my next drift event finally is going to be in March. I'm really excited to get this car out there, and having been at Willow Springs a few times without angle, I really learned that this car needed angle, and I know all I did was some donuts, some controlled donuts, but still, it helps a lot. And I'm really excited to get back out there and see what I can do, not only this car, but see what I can do out there. I think this should really help aid in my ability to drift, because like I said, this car only has 35 degrees of angle stock, and that's terrible. Less than any 350, less than any 240, this car's booty flakes stock. I am so ready to get back to drifting, but now let's get to the point of this video. Haha! Boy! Oh, bro, welcome back to Texas. That is just a sick build. Aside from what we have already told you guys, there was a major reason we decided to come back to Texas. Well, I'll explain it this way. When we were out in California, it was really difficult for us to try and jump around at shops and get my stuff done. As you guys can probably tell, it's a lot easier for me to be myself when I'm in Texas. And I think that has shown through my videos the past 2 or 3 weeks since we've been back, and I hope you guys have enjoyed that, and I've really enjoyed making content again. It really has been refreshing for me. One thing we were going to do while we were out there is look for a shop. I really wanted to find a shop. I really was looking into renting, but dude, a shop there is like, you're looking at spending like 2 to 3 grand a month for a shop. And the way that we saw it, we were like, you know, we could move back to Texas, be happier, make better videos, be back with our family, and we could get a shop, or we could get our own place with a bigger garage. Like, take that $2,000 or $3,000 into consideration, and let's go buy a house. Here comes Victoria with her hot coffee, and the camera's not focusing. There it is. This pile of everything. It looks disgusting right now. But that has been the house that we have been trying to build for the past few months.
2 months, yeah.
2 months. And so it's been a long process, and we wanted to keep it quiet just in case we weren't approved. But this morning we got a call. It's obviously, if you guys don't know, it's very complicated to get a house whenever you're self-employed. My dad even has had a hard time, he said, getting his houses. So we got a call this morning saying we actually were not approved for the loan on this house. And that's totally okay. That's totally okay. We're 23 years old, and we kind of went on a stretch building a house for our first time, and we really just wanted a big 3-car garage and a nice big house, and we could afford it. But the problem is our taxes didn't show what they wanted us to show, and they said, no, you need a cosigner, and we're not about to put our parents through that, because that puts a burden on them. We kind of realized, you know, we don't need to have a house. So this is really why we moved back from Texas. We wanted to combine having a shop and having a place to live, and still save money in the long run, and we were going to do this, but didn't get approved. So that's why we looked at that place today, because we know we can go ahead and do that, because that's where we lived before. So we are excited. This is kind of a bummer for us, because we were really excited to announce that we were going to have a house at 20. Honestly, like, it was kind of a pride thing. Like, it would have been so cool to say, I'm 23 years old, we have a house. Obviously, it was not in the plan for us, and that's totally okay.
And that's why we moved back so quickly too, is because we had all these like builders meetings and design meetings, and it literally, like, the week after we moved back was like the kickoff of all those
all of these, like, all the meetings and stuff I had on the phone and stuff in California that I put on Snapchat, and all the times I said that I was in meetings in the morning, it was to build the house. And so it is kind of a bummer, because we did literally choose everything that this house is going to have, and we did literally build this house, but it unfortunately is not going to be ours. So
I'm a big planner, and something I want to say is that, like, you can plan all you want, but I will stand firm today and say that God's plan's always better. This obviously was not for us.
It's a bummer. I'm not going to pretend like it's not, but who knows why. We will end up getting a house in the future, and that's okay. Obviously, honestly, that place we looked at was bomb.
I'd be okay living there for a few years.
It would be so sick to live there for a while, have a huge garage and 2 cars to park even in the driveway. We could have 4 cars. Babe, I can buy another car now.
Or you could buy me another car.
I could pull a TJ Hunt and say I'm buying a car for you and actually it'd be for me. Ooh! I'm not gonna say that all the other stuff was a lie. It wasn't, because we totally moved here for all those reasons before, family and all that kind of stuff. But this is the reason, especially why we moved so quickly, because we were getting in the process of this. So, and I actually, so I know I did some skids this video. I tweeted something earlier, and I just wanted to say this. If you're still paying attention, I want you guys to listen to this. There's like a lot of drama going around in the automotive YouTube world right now, from people that are very avid about the sport. And I'm not gonna sit here and call anybody out and try and get into any drama or anything, but I just wanted to say, I get hosed a lot, not even from viewers, but from other YouTubers, by modifying my car, you know, before I drive it and this sort of thing. And I wanted to come out and just say that I want you guys to know that I do not consider myself an avid participator or like a pro drifter or even an amateur drifter. Like I don't consider myself a drifter. I'm a car enthusiast by hobby, and that's that. I have fun with what I do, and that is it. I have fun with my cars. I modify them how I want them to be modified, and I do drive them occasionally. But I want you guys to know that I'm not trying to be a pro drifter here, and I'm not trying to make anybody think that I am. I'm having fun, and I'm still learning, but my goal is not to be a professional drifter. By the time I'm 24, 25, my goal is not to get a pro card or anything like that. I'm just here to have fun and build my cars the way that I want to. At the end of the day, I think the point is I am having fun with what I'm doing, and I'm not judging others for what they're doing. I am just having a good time and minding my own business. I go to events every now and then occasionally to use my car, but it's just fun for me. And the car's gonna be street legal soon, so bye-bye. I hope to whoever gets this property, you are able to bless others with it, because our intention was to do the same. So we hope that you guys have a wonderful life. Whoever gets that property, we wish you the best. I will tell you guys the one thing that sucked. Our driveway was gonna be so tiny. You can see where the house starts right there? That's where the garage was gonna be. It's like a 10-foot driveway. That's how short our driveway was gonna be. I mean, it's still nice, but dude, we gotta have the homies over, you know? Very soon, who's ready to see the Cayman Slam? We're gonna be installing coilovers on this very soon. We still have a big mod for this, and we've got a lot of fun stuff to do. I know today's video was pretty personal, and I know that a lot of people would not have shared this kind of news, but you guys already know, I like to be real with you. Despite how memey I am, and despite how nonsensical I can be a lot of the times, I do still like to be real, and I like you guys to understand what goes on in my life. So I love you guys. Thank you for being a part of our lives. We're excited for our next journey. We're excited to be back. Peace out, and be victorious. Now, I've got 2 videos that I have hand-chosen to put right in front of your face. I promise you both of them is good. I need you to watch both of them, or at least one of them, and then you just go from there. Keep watching.